See guys, told you, dam ahead. And we got a creek back there to fish. You know we're going back to that creek. Brady's Lake Dam. Yeah. I'm going over here, park the rig, and we'll go over there and see if we can get some fish out of it. Do some out and about style fishing. What do you think? All right, let's get it on. All right, guys, this is Brady's Lake Dam. It's a dam on this creek here. I couldn't tell you the name of the creek. I'd have to look it up, and maybe I will at some point and tell you, but right now I'm gonna tell you I don't know the name of it. Okay, so if you see it scrolling across the top, it's because I looked it up. Anyway, we're gonna fish here a little bit. Fish on, guys. How's the fish down there? Not exactly sure. Look like a big fall fish. Exactly what we got, fall fish. Hey, you see them? Okay, I'll put it back over on the other side. All right. Quick stop here at the bottom of the pool, you know, in the spillway. Quick stop here. We're gonna try this, see if there's anything in here. Getting a couple bumps already. Maybe, just maybe some fish in here. Maybe. Don't know what it is, but good sized fish here. Let's see if we can get him up here. Oh, looks like a nice bass. Wow, look at that. Nice largie. Hey, ain't none in the lake, but there's tons of them down here, huh? Should stock them back. Get that back to the water. Let's see if we get some more. What do you think? There's any more out there? Another one. Woohoo, it's another bass. Nice one. Almost feels ashamed to put all these back down here in the creek when there ain't no. I've fished up there in that lake and there ain't shit in the lake. You got tons of these little bass like this down here in this creek. It seems like. Anyway, we get back out there. I'll let you know when we get another one. This looks like a red fin perch. They don't even look like a regular yellow perch. It's a red fin. Look at that. Well, I'll get them back here. I think it's a bluegill, believe it or not. Nice one too, look. I think it's the one we caught in the lake. We fished that lake for about an hour. We didn't catch nothing. One small bluegill. We fished down here for 10 minutes, and that's after 3 guys just left here. Got 2 bass, a perch, and 2 bluegills. And we're catching them next to nothing. Look, you can just use that little bit. They're so hungry. I'm gonna put a Gulp Alive Mini on it when I get this back in. See if that makes a difference. Another fish on the Gulp Mini. Can't believe how they like that thing. Wow. That was just a little dink bass, but in this current and everything, wow, did they fight. All I'm doing is I got the Mini about a foot down, just threaded it up a line, you know, got the hook in there, and just letting it drift down through there, and they're just hammering. Wow. It is really, really good. Good bait, man. I just can't believe it. Unbelievable. Fishing with the Gulp Mini. Look at that, already hitting it. Oh, fish on. Oh, it's a little dink bluegill, but it's fish. Bambino.